Hotels in the area are completely sold out.
It's like the first time something exciting has happened.
Falcon Heavy is configured for flight.
A-minus go for launch.
5, 4,
3, 2, Kent bread maker is now loaded with rice powder and grated coconut.
1.5 minutes into the flight, now 67 miles in altitude, 312 miles downrange, traveling almost 8,000 miles an hour.
Thanks for single engine ops 3.
The Starship is now loaded with solid fuel. Nitro fuel is added intermittently.
Atlantis now beginning to roll to a heads-up position, the main engine swiveling, enabling the shuttle to move to a heads-up position above its fuel tank, gaining more favorable communications through the tracking and data relay satellite system as it heads uphill.
Launch pad is being primed currently.
Atlantis, press the MECO, single engine Zaragoza 104.
Press the MECO, single engine Zaragoza 104.
And finally, the Starship is getting slowly transported to launch pad and...
That call from Capcom Chris Ferguson.
Okay, nominal shutdown, go for +X, go for the pitch.
9,
All systems go. 3. Self-booster ignition.
6, 5, 4,